Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share with you another high potential airdrop called Turnkey. So what is Turnkey? Turnkey offers tools to create, manage and secure cryptocurrency wallets and transactions with a simple API. You will find lots of information on their website. As you can see, they have already raised $52.5 million in huge funding and their status is potential. If you look at their investors, you will see Galaxy, Coinbase Ventures, and lots of tier 2, 3 and 4 investors backing them, which is great. If you visit their X profile, you can see they have 17,000 followers at the time of making this video. Here they share lots of updates about their project. Before joining the airdrop, if you want all the updates related to crypto and airdrops, you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram link in the description. In that link, you will find the joining link. Simply click that and you will land on this page. Here you'll have two options, sign in with Google or use your email ID. So here I'll sign in with Google, then select your email and click continue. Finally, you land on this main dashboard. First, click on export and here you will find your seed phrases. Copy and save this in a secure place. Here's the main thing, if you click on add funds, you will notice you need Sepolia Ethereum testnet tokens for this testnet. To claim the faucet, you need at least 0.1 ETH in your MetaMask wallet on the mainnet. This is the terms and conditions. As you can see in my MetaMask, I already have Sepolia testnet tokens in my wallet. So how can you get these tokens? Simply visit my channel page and in the search option type Sepolia. In this video, I'll explain how you can get Sepolia tokens for free, so you must check this video. Now back to the airdrop page. You should have received a default wallet address, copy it. Open the MetaMask wallet. Click on send. Then paste the address here. Then enter the amount. Here I'll select 0.1, then continue and then confirm. Now it's processed. As you can see, the tokens have arrived. Now click send and choose any address, perhaps a friend that you've never sent tokens to before. Send the tokens to that address to complete the task. You need to complete both a send and a receive transaction. Aim to complete at least 4 transactions per week, but you can do 1 or 2 daily if you prefer. The receipt task is already done since we sent the faucet tokens earlier. That's the main task to complete. For the next updates, I'll share them in our Telegram channel, so don't miss out on joining. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.